everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Neil, and today I thought we would dive back into some more Pokemon. It's been a really long time since we've done a Pokemon drawing. So I thought we would draw probably the world's most popular Pokemon, Pikachu. But before we get into that, a reminder, in case you don't know already, we post brand new videos to the channel right here, yes here, with me, every Thursday. So be sure when the calendar rolls around to Thursday to come back to the channel here for some more drawing tutorials. All right, let's get into our drawing of Pikachu. All right, let's get started on our drawing of Pikachu. So for this drawing, you're going to need your drawing utensil. I'm using a marker, but feel free to use whatever is most comfortable for you to draw with. You're going to need a piece of paper. And then this is the color palette that I'm choosing for Pikachu. If you don't like these colors, feel free to choose your own. You don't have to do that. Nothing is wrong in art. Also, if I'm going too fast in the tutorial, please feel free to push that pause button or hit the rewind button. I want you guys to be able to follow along as easily as possible and have lots of fun. All right, first step. So we're gonna draw Pikachu's face. We're gonna come to, what is this? The left side. We're gonna draw a curved line. So curves down like this and a little bit out like that and around and in like that. Same thing on this side. You're gonna go down like this and out a little bit like that and in like that. Next, we're gonna draw Pikachu's eyes. So it's just two circles. So we'll start over here. Go 1, 2 on the other side. And his head is a little bit tilted in this picture. That's why you kind of have the eyes at a slant there. And then Pikachu's eyes are pretty much black in the cartoon series. So we're just gonna draw a light indication because he doesn't have any pupils or irises. So we're just gonna draw a little circle up at the top here, like so. Same thing on this side, like so, and then we'll color the rest of it in black. Actually, you're gonna make that eye just a little bit bigger like that. Next, we're gonna draw Pikachu's nose and his mouth. So we're gonna put a dot, boop, to indicate the nose. Then we're gonna draw the upper part of the mouth, which is just kind of some curved, wavy lines. So we're gonna start here, gonna go down and up like that, and then down and up like that. And then we'll do the bottom part of his mouth. It just comes down like this and up like that, because he's our happy guy. Next, we're gonna draw one of Pikachu's ears. This one's kind of tilted out this direction, so we're gonna start right here and do a curved line going all the way out like that. And then we'll curve under and back into that line like that. Over here on this side, we're gonna put the ear standing straight up. So we're gonna curve a line up like that, and then back down and in like that. Then we'll cap off the top of his head with just a curved line across like that. And then he's got some accents on his ears that are black, so we're gonna draw those there. It's just a curved line down like this. Same thing on this side, curve that line, but the opposite direction down like that. And then just color those in black. All right, next we're going to draw Pikachu's right arm, but it's gonna be on the left side of our paper. So we're gonna draw a little hand, and his hand is just kind of jagged lines. So it starts here, goes up, down, and he's got 4 little fingers, like that. Then we'll draw the part of his arm that comes out and down like this. Then we'll continue that line around and down and up. So his arm almost has kind of a teardrop shape to it. Then we're gonna draw a second arm, which is gonna be over on this side. And this arm is gonna be kind of waving high. So we're gonna draw a curved line that comes off of here, goes out to there. Then we're gonna draw those cute little fingers, go up, go down, and then we'll do those 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And then we're gonna draw a curved line down like this, and then we're gonna stop there. Next, we're gonna draw the lower part of Pikachu's body. So that's gonna start right about here. We're gonna come down at like a diagonal here. Then we'll curve in and under and over and around. And we'll keep that line going at a diagonal back up into the arm there. Next, we'll draw his feet. So one foot is gonna come out here, and they're kind of oval-shaped feet. So we're gonna curve a line out like this, and then back into there like this. This one over here's got a little bit of a heel on it. So we'll draw a straight line down like that. Then we'll curve out like this, and then around to there like that. And last but certainly not least, one of the most important features of his body is his tail. It's my favorite part of his body. So we are going to draw some zigzag lines to indicate that kind of lightning shape that he has on his tail. So we'll curve a line down like this, then we'll come up a little bit higher, there we go. Over like this, then up like that. And then there's the top part of it, comes off of this finger here, out and around like that. Then we'll come do the bottom part of the tail. So curve line down like that. And you wanna give a little bit of a V shape here. So this is gonna come out a little bit more like that. Then we'll curve that line down like this, line above it, similar to that. Then we'll again have that almost a V shape there. And then the top of his tail is really, really thick, so leave some space right there. We're gonna curve a line out like this, and then the end of his tail is kind of rounded. So it's just a slight curve like that. And then if you want to, you can go ahead and place Pikachu on the ground, drawing some lines connected to his feet here. And if you want to, just maybe throw in some grass, like that. Just to give him, maybe a bush. Just to give him a little setting. All right, and there's your line work for Pikachu. And now it's time for the gratuitous, cringeworthy, slightly annoying dad joke. Okay, how does T-Rex feel after a good workout? A little dinosaur. All right, let's move on to our coloring step, and we'll do that in super speed, starting now. All right, and there you have it, your fully colored Pikachu. Feel free to add the green colors if you want to color in the bottom background. Thank you so much for drawing Pikachu with me. I hope you guys had lots of fun. Hey, if you want to support the channel, just go down below, click that subscribe button and smash the like button, and we'll do the rest for you. Also, if you're interested in drawing more stuff, we have got lots of videos in our catalog, so feel free to go check those out after this video. All right, that's gonna wrap us up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.